Have you prayed?
Yeah.
Neighbor. Ah, no, dinner. Neighbor, no, they answer me.
Neighbor, now if that.
Now, me, I don't come back from church.
Those are the children say they are not strong.
Yeah.
But they looking at the people.
So they try to meet up. Neighbor.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You don't come back from church, eh?
I just come back from church.
Neighbor, you walk.
You understand? I just come back from church. Sleep just carry me. As he carry me, he waiting and see again now rise.
Hey.
As it pass like that, now I open my eye. I don't see the rice. So as I wake up, the nose just perceive something.
Hey.
I say it be like say my neighbors them cook rice today na Sunday.
Neighbor, not be like.
I say make I come confirm whether my nose they tell me the truth.
Stop. Go and bring spoon for a neighbor.
Because I was on trance when I saw it, and my nose confirm it. I said, okay, let me use my leg, confirm am, and not true.
I said, but I go bring spoon for you.
No bother. I have a spoon now. No spoon here.
You carry spoon? This neighbor.
Which time? That one. You don't start again. Every time.
What do you never do, Nana?
Your nose not to stay one place. Not to cook.
Bring food now. There's love in sharing, eh?
There's
love in sharing.
That day when we see where they carry give us.
You said that make yes, what happened?
That day they carry me and Ella see you don't want to give us.
You use that one wrong.
Hey, neighbor, you're not trying now. My children they came to visit you yesterday, and they meant you eating. You said they should not eat.
This thing one that they talk, not be true.
Mona forgive her. No. Bring the food. There's love in sharing.
No.
Bring the food. Make never eat. There's love in sharing.
Tell us yesterday.
They just silent me now. These children, don't do me take. They don't do me take.
Oh, I would say the right man. I forgot sad for you because there's love in sharing. Not everybody they eat person food. You be my good neighbor. Now make a if you don't meet us, say they eat, you will eat.
Neighbor, if I tell you say this thing not pay me, I dey lie. This thing pay me, it reach my bones even say. See all these your children, they don't they forget something. When they come where they eat the other day, not be I send a message, they not go. So they come where they eat, they assuming they not eat. Now true, assuming they not eat because they not go message from me. I don't know say that is still in their mind.
I never know say they call your house yesterday.
People like say they not get forgiving spirit too. I mean they not go church today. They not hear what in pastor preach.
There is God.
Neighbor, now you first do them now.
See the waste time for you. We go finish them.
Neighbor, before they go finish them,
You get long.
neighbor,
I don't abandon me.
Not be juju be that.